So we are initially we are doing some corrections actually, because the common mistakes. So many people had some common mistakes actually.
Anish, right? Are you here? Anish, right? He's not here.
He's not here.
Kafala.
So it's not here. Okay.
So
Fine.
there are some certain common mistakes which we have observed. So we will have a discussion and then we will start with the drawing class today.
Okay. First of all, you are actually the dimensions actually. The most of the people actually it looks like a free drawing actually. Free drawing means I hope you understand actually, because I already insisted to you how to drawing actually, how to draw the things actually. You know, I told you the proper scale. Scaling is very important. That is first thing, and second is what to say, dimensions, proper dimensions actually. So in this, where I don't know what is the scale actually. In this scale is not mentioned. Is there any scale? I don't know where is he. He is there or not? Anishra is here. No.
He's not here.
First thing is that the scale is not proper actually, because we are generalizing these things actually. I don't want to. We are okay. I'm not telling about this Anish Rai case. It's a common case. Most of the whatever we corrected, most of the I think more than 50-60% without any scale, without any proper dimensions actually. So without, actually I already discussed it, drawing, the main thing is that you are dimensioning and scaling. So without proper scaling, what is the issue? So first you clear that what is the problem in dimensioning and scaling? Is there any problem? What is the reason? Can you tell me? What is his name actually? This exercise, his name you just tell me.
Abdul.
Abdul is there, roll number 2. Who is roll number 002? Abdul?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
you just see your figure. What is the diamond? What is the scale you are following? Just tell me. Which scale you
So
are
this
following?
is not my. I used 1:50.
But have you seen that scaling and dimensioning, is it correct or not? Have you checked it actually?
Sorry, what?
Have you checked that your scale is correct or not? That's my question.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yeah. My roll number is 2. Like.
Please try. I will show this number.
Okay, fine.
Oh, you just. Second.
So this is your figure. Is it right, Abdul?
Yeah, I use the scale as 1:50.
1:50, but you can see here, I will just show you, just to see here. So you are telling 2.8 into 4.8, am I right?
Yes.
So can you tell me what is 2.8 and where is 4.8? Can you show me that? What is the meaning? Yes, tell me.
Yeah, like I drew the lines and I wrote the dimensions also over there. Yeah.
Yes,
the longer side
2.8 means length into breadth. Okay, that means this should be 2.8 and this should be 4.8.
Okay, I didn't know that. I made a mistake over there.
Okay, it's a big mistake actually. Okay. This is actually I explained in class. I explained already how to do the dimensions. This first class of not first class. This the first drawing I explained very well. I explained in that class actually. I already discussed all the things actually, how to draw the things, and I think first figure I think you remember. The first exercise we have thorough explanation about all the things actually. So when you draw, this is very much important. When you draw any building, suppose in this case, suppose this is a room, my dimension is 3/4. 3/4 is its length into breadth actually. That means it should be 3 meter and it should be 4 meter. It should be like that. Then one more mistake with you. Suppose if you are, because the drawing dimensions, I don't know how you taken. But anyway, you can see 2.8 and 4.8, almost it is, you can say approximately it is double or something. If the double size means how the dimension is not correct actually. Anyway, the dimension is not right. Some improper dimensioning actually. By you see that one thing I want to say, one expert, if anybody is an expert in that area, by seeing your figure only they can point out what your mistakes there. If you are not doing proper dimensioning, proper scaling, by seeing the figure only we can identify all the things. Okay, so another thing I want to say, plan. Actually, I already discussed in that first class of your drawing. Plan means it's a sectional plan. Okay, so from the sill level, bottom sill level of the, you are actually, what you are doing is, suppose your house is there, the plan means, the top view of plan means you are cutting, actually it is a cutting sectional plan actually. Sectional plan, I used to say you have to hatch it actually. It's what it is. Yeah. Because you should hatch it actually, that I already told you. This is the way you have to do, because it's a sectional plan. I hope you remember where is the sectional plan. Sectional plan you have to do like this when you draw this. So most of the figures, most of the drawings, this is the one drawback I have seen. Most of the drawing without any hatching, because you need to hatch the things. Why? Because it's actually, imagine that one house is there. What you are doing is from the sill level, the window there below the window sill level, you are cutting it actually. After cutting that, what you are seeing from the top view, from the top, what you are seeing, that's why you need to hatch it actually, because it's a sectional plan. So most of the figures I haven't observed this actually. Then one more thing, some of the people are doing hatching this way. You can see this way. This is also wrong way actually. This is not the way to hatch it. So hatching means the continuous that this way you need to hatch actually. This is the way you need to do. Okay. Then another thing I want to say about that, what to say, the positioning of, otherwise say aspect actually, aspect, prospect. First 2-3 classes we discussed about building planning principles. I hope you remember. In that building planning principles, we discussed lots of what to say, how you can locate that, how you can follow that orientation, then various positioning of various rooms and locations, then their aspect ratio and floor ratio, floor area ratio. Then we discussed about prospect, we discussed, and privacy we discussed. I hope you remember all the things. So why we discussed all the things, that class time also I already I already clarified the things actually, because whatever you are learning from that theory classes, it should be applicable when you draw, when you start drawing actually. But I couldn't see anything from in your drawing actually. Most of the people actually vaguely draw. Most of the, you can see most of the, because I'm generally telling the thing actually, because here I'm taking only one drawing. There are so many drawings that people are showing so many mistakes actually. The thing is that they are not looking into the aspect. What do you mean by aspect? First you say that. What do you mean by aspect? What do you mean by aspect?
The skillful arrangement of doors and windows in the exterior wall of the building.
What do you mean by prospect? What do you mean by prospect?
Arrangement of windows in the external place which allows the people to watch desirable views.
So how many people follow this aspect and prospect? Then one more thing we discussed, the grouping. What is the meaning of grouping? You remember? What is the meaning of grouping?
Arrangement of rooms according to the function.
According to their functions. So one example I will show in this figure, you see in this figure. So you can see we are telling the mistakes, don't take it as in negative way. Okay. So we have to show one example, that way we are taking one person. So it's not like that. Mistakes are common. Okay. So here you can see in this figure, you can see. First thing, what is the hall dimension? I don't know. That is a question mark. Then you see another thing. Here the wall dimension is something like this. What is the wall dimension here? The two wall dimensions are different. This is also wrong here. Then hatching, that is also wrong here. Okay. Then what is the scaling here? I don't know. Scaling, it's a question mark. It's not there. Okay. So what about the aspect and prospect that you say? Aspect and prospect, I told you, you are telling that the skillful arrangement of doors and windows. That's very important. In that skillful arrangement of doors and windows, you need to take care of orientation. You need to take care of privacy things. Okay, these all things you need to take care of, but you can see here, this is kitchen, I think. Okay, in kitchen you can see there is no window in kitchen. No window in kitchen. Then one more thing, this is lavatory. In lavatory there is no ventilation. This is a common mistake, not only in his drawing. Most of the people, I think we corrected more than 80, 50, 70% we corrected. Out of, I think more than 50 students did the same mistake actually. Then one more thing, proper that circulation we said. What is the meaning of circulation? You already know. You see, these are all not theory thing actually. Practically, you should arrange all the things actually. So we can give the only directions. The idea should be yours actually. You have to use the idea how to circulate the things. So you can see one more thing. Where is the direction? So in the normally you have to give the direction north. Normally you have to give. This is suppose if you are considering north or something, you need to show the direction. Then only I can analyze where is east, west, and like that south. So you have to make proper direction. The direction is missing in all figures. That is another big mistake you have done. Because in orientation, I already discussed orientation based on the directions. Okay. Then aspect, prospect, and circulation also based on the directions. Because we already discussed, we need proper ventilation. We need to provide the natural sunlight. How you provide all the things without showing the direction? Hope you understand what I am telling. So the thing I want to say, whatever the things we discussed in class in first 2-3 classes, building planning principles, no one followed anything. Simply you are drawing simply whatever in your mind, you are drawing simply. You are not following any building principles. You are not following any kind of building bylaws also. So that is a major mistakes I have seen in all figures actually. Most of the figures. Only few figures they did very well. Okay, that is a very good thing. But most of the figures, whatever the building planning principles, they haven't followed. Because we discussed more than 10 building planning principles. I know that it's not possible to incorporate all the building planning principles. It's not easy. You are not supposed to go for elegance and everything. That is architecture duty. But the basic things you need to know, no? The circulation, prospect, aspect, that all the things you need to take care of, scaling, dimensioning, everything. So that's why here you can see here. Suppose I am taking this is north. Suppose if you are taking north. So in that building planning principle, while we are discussing about orientation, so where kitchen should be?
Towards
Where
east.
kitchen? Most probably east. You can make it west also, no issue. I'm not telling it's not a big deal or it's not a big mistake like that. But if you are locating, that is called a skillful arrangement actually. Because what is the reason we are providing kitchen in east side? We discussed. What is the reason?
For getting sunlight.
So you know everything. Then why you are doing mistakes again and again? That I don't know. We discussed everything clearly. Here you can see where is the kitchen. Where is the kitchen? You see the kitchen. Then one more thing I will show you. What is this? Oh, sorry. What is this? What is this area? Circulation means skillful arrangement of rooms. Skillful arrangement means we are giving some area. How you are properly utilizing that area. You are not supposed to give a simple open space and vacant space like that. It's not easy. It's not the proper way of doing drawing actually. I hope you understand. I am not understanding what is this space actually. Why you are wasting this space? Okay. Then one more thing you can see here. What is the mistake you are finding here? Can you tell me? Here door is located. Anybody can say what is the mistake there? Privacy. You know that. So you see, we discussed everything step by step. Last 3 classes, we particularly sit on this building planning principles. Building planning principles, you have to follow this, you have to follow this, you have to take care of privacy, you have to look into aspect, prospect, circulation, elegance, everything we discussed, scaling we discussed. So again, I don't know why you people are doing mistakes continuously. You see, some of the things, photography, I can't teach you, I can't guide you. Photography, you have to develop yourself. I hope you understand what I'm telling. This drawing class also the same way, we can guide you, but I can't say like this, okay, you draw like this, your kitchen like this, your plan is your way. Please understand that, develop yourself, think and utilize. We already given your ideas, we given some guidelines, we given. I hope you understand what I'm telling. Drawing means it's not like a theory class like that. Your idea you should put forward. Come up with your idea, your think something, guidelines already given. Don't follow this kind of mistakes actually. Circulation grouping. Then one more thing I will tell you, one simple one technique I will tell you. What you do is, suppose you are new to this field, one thing I will tell you, there are so many plants are available. If you simply search in Google also, you will get a lot of residential plans, 2 BHK room, 3 BHK room. You simply look into that plans actually, then you will get some idea how people are doing a different ideology, how people are doing. I don't want to say the copy the things actually. You will get some ideas how they are utilizing the space actually. There are so many architectural drawings are available. You just go through it, then only you can develop yourself actually. Because here you can see here 105 people are present. You see 105 people, their residential house plan is different. Am I right or not? You said, am I right or not? Your all houses are different. Whether it is 2 BHK or 3 BHK, the plan is different. I hope you understand. That's why I can't say your plan should be like this, like that. Your idea, your way. That way you have to develop yourself actually. But before that, you should know the basic principles. Basic principles we already discussed. But when you do these planning things and everything, you should follow that. Then only you can do something. Then one more thing here, you can see this is bedroom. Here one window is showing here. Okay, right. I can understand. Okay, fine. Okay, this is okay. This is right. What about this wall? What about this wall? Why there is no window? These are very common mistakes. I am telling, very common mistakes. I hope you understand. These are very simple. Actually, these mistakes are very simple only. If you do it properly, we can make it better. If you have any doubt or anything, you just ask me. Without drawing, you will never learn actually. Because basic building drawing, you should know. Without drawing, how you become a civil engineer? Because in future you may not draw anything. but suppose somebody gives some plan to you, then they are telling you just analyze the plan. So you should know basic things, no? You should know the basic principles. You should know the basic ideas behind and everything. Then building bylaws also you should know. Then only you can complete the plan and you can analyze the plan. Otherwise, it's very difficult to do all the things actually. Okay, so these are some of the mistakes I found here. Similarly, then one more thing, the dimensioning. The dimensioning also. Here dimensioning actually, it's not visible also while you are doing dimension. Here you can see. You are not supposed to do like this. Actually, whatever you are doing, it should be propagating the things actually. Whatever you are dimensioning here, suppose it's going like this. Whatever the things you are doing, accordingly you have to do. Otherwise, it's here you can see. Here he is telling 0.5. I don't know what is this. What is here? Here nothing here. There is no matching in these dimensions also. So these are the main things I want to say. Nothing there. Follow building planning principles. Follow scale and dimensions properly. Don't then utilize your space properly. Don't do this kind of open spaces or unwanted spaces, spaces like that. Then do that orientations properly. Okay, that aspect, prospect, all the things here. Ventilation, no ventilation. You need to provide ventilation here. Then kitchen, this is kitchen in this also wrong actually. Then hall size, that is a big wrong. How you can provide hall size like this? I don't know. You can provide hall size like this, but what about this? Window size. Wall size is this much, window size is this much. That also I discussed. What is the relation between floor area and window area? Tell me. What is the relation between floor area and window area? Tell me. In building bylaws, we discussed.
Should be one.
One by?
1/10 of the.
So you people know everything, but why you people are doing mistake? The hall size is long, but window size is this much only. This is also wrong. So you can see, if you look into everything mistake only. Shall we go for next figure, some other figure? This week. Okay, this is, who is this? No name here.
I think the name got.
Then one more thing, if drawing is very important, at the right corner, you should mention the dimension, scale, your name, then that purpose of building, classification of building, then specification, everything, then that direction. These all things you should mention at the right corner of the your drawing sheet actually. Whether it is AutoCAD, whether it is drawing book, whether it is whatever it is, you should follow that actually. Okay.
Roll number 10.
Roll number 10 is there. Who is roll number 10? Roll number 10 is absent or not?
Sir, hello, roll number 10, sir.
This is your figure? You drawn or not? You are still doubting.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
is showing, sir, Abdul, one name is written, sir.
No, my question is, this is you drawn or not? That's my question. Currently, what is it is showing, you know?
So what are you seeing here? Like,
it's you drawn or not? That's my question.
Sir, I am refreshing once.
maybe he might be seeing this slide, second slide. Might be slow.
Okay. Oh. Oh, wait. Okay. Now it's visible. Now it's visible or not? You just to see. Is it visible? What is name, Sundar? No, he didn't find out. I think. Roll number 2.
This is roll number 10.
Roll number 10.
We need to find this name.
Okay, don't worry. Let's see. Roll number. This is roll number 10.
Roll number 10.
Roll number 10 is there. You just please. I don't know who is it. Just. You leave, no problem.
Your right.
You can do it. I don't go there. You. No, I haven't seen both. Okay. Okay, you just take that.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, because they will not come out actually, because they don't want to say. Okay. Okay, anyway, okay, fine. Is it visible or not? First you say this figure, its drawing is visible or not? No one is responding.
We will call a name.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, here you can see this figure. Okay, here the dimension is telling 1:100. That means 1 meter equal to 1 centimeter. Fine, I hope. Okay, cool. All dimensions are in meter. He shown that okay, north direction. Okay, I will show. North direction also is shown, because when you're showing north direction, you need to show like this actually. Okay, not this way. What is the meaning of this? I don't know.
Sir, roll number 10 is here, sir.
Okay, fine. What's your name?
Sir, Amar Kumar, and sir, this is mine. This drawing is mine, sir.
Okay, what is your name? Tell me.
Sir, Amar Kumar, AMAR.
Amal Kumar. Okay, Amal Kumar. When you draw, please draw. Your name should be mentioned at the right corner. Okay, that we please take care. Okay, when you submit, also you need to actually this what to say, this right corner. Actually, here your name should be there. Okay, then the scale should be there. Then dimension should be not dimension, scale, and or dimensions and which unit. Okay, unit should be there. Then that what type of building, the classification of building also should be there. Okay, these all things should be mentioned at the right corner actually. Okay. Then one more thing. About your figure, that same problem, the same mistake you can. The hatching problem I already told you. Hatching should be this way. You need to do the wall. Okay, that is first thing. And second thing, I want to say dimensioning is okay. It's good.
Horizontal, like this bedroom, like you should follow the same pattern, either horizontal or vertical.
Yeah.
So here you are writing like in a horizontal direction, and now here it is in vertical direction. So that is not permitted. So go in the same way, either horizontal or follow vertical type.
Sir, this I will do only for if I will. I am writing for like kitchen. I may rotate in any other direction also.
No, like you can keep the paper, you can unfold the paper like this plan, and then you will be reading from only one angle. So if you are writing in different directions, you are not like, you have to turn your paper. So that is not entertained.
No, that's why we are putting directions and everything. If you look into any type of plan, we never put like that actually. Because in which direction you are drawing, that direction only you need to actually you are not supposed to draw. If you are using this draft draw, all the things actually, I don't know. Because now you are doing hand drawing, that's why people are doing this kind of mistake.
So follow from left to right. Yeah.
I am saying that here that bathroom and for W/C, sir, here I also tilted that word. So here is also wrong, that part.
Pardon? Can you repeat again?
Sir, that bathroom and sir.
Yeah. You know, we are telling just the corrections. Next time onwards, you just correct it. That's all. Okay. Then one more thing, then this window position, you can see here. It is corner actually. It should be at middle actually normally. I hope you understand.
And for the bedroom also, this one.
Bedroom also. Then what is the door size you mentioned? I don't know. The window size W1 you are telling. It is 2 into 2.7. 2 into 2.7 you are telling. 2 meter into 2.7. Okay. Then I have one question regarding your bedroom dimension. 7 into 4.2 actually. No, 6.5 into 4.2.
Yes.
But that's very big.
No. Then how is this 5.2 only from here to here?
Yeah, that is also.
This is 6.55. So the wall to wall thickness. I mean, not the inside thickness.
It's coming from here. Here also he done the mistake actually.
Okay.
Actually, this is not the way. Why we kept the window this side? What is the reason? Why you kept,
To see that north part, north side area.
No. It's always in north. Whether it is here also, north only. We never locate that window like this actually. Window we usually follow this way at the middle actually. Middle of the wall only we will keep windows actually.
Sir, I made there for the privacy purpose, so that if I will make that that window at the middle, that the person from the outside can see, and if it is at the corner, and so I can keep the bed against that. Means I can.
No. I hope you understand what you're telling. You are telling about the privacy things. I hope. Okay.
Yes.
Am I right? But the thing you know that privacy things not in the planning we are doing. Privacy things means which type of door you are adopting actually. We discussed in different types of doors construction we discussed in building planning principles.
Yes, sir.
It never matters the door position. It matters that how that different types of door. I hope you understand. In that building planning principle, no, it's not in building planning principles. I think in building bylaws or somewhere we discussed this actually.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, so building plan in planning you need to locate properly so that design of windows we will design accordingly. So that is one correction here that you need to correct. Then you need to say something.
So what is this space? Is this a open space?
Yes, sir. Some storage means some. Yes, sir, storage. We can keep some.
So you mean to say this is for the kitchen, right?
No, sir. For any rough means any waste thing, I can keep there. For all the home, for total home, I am saying. Or
Okay.
any things I can store room, sir. You can.
So Amar, I can give you a suggestion. Maybe you can make a wall here, remove this partition wall so that you can use this as a storeroom for the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and maybe like in another way, you can make like instead of storeroom, maybe you can like a small kitchen can be set up here by keeping a window so that you can go outside.
Yes.
So that is one suggestion. And next thing, what about the why you are keeping the bathroom? Like, see, suppose guests are coming to your room, so you will be keeping your sofas and all here, right?
Yes.
This region. And your bathroom is like the door to the bathroom is opening to the living room. So is this advisable? There should be some privacy, right? Like if you are using the bathroom, when you open, then you can see the guests in your house.
Yes, sir. This is
Okay.
not.
Yeah, so that okay. So basically, this bathroom and lavatory things you can keep near to like not directly, not to the like they should not open directly to the living room. That's another thing. Then hatching, as he said, Anisa has said already there. Then for the bedroom here, why you have provided a door from here?
Sir, this I have kept so that for that if guests are in the living room and if something is happening in living room and we want to use that extra place, we want to disturb that living room person or don't want to know them that we are entering the house or coming out, emergency door means.
Yeah, okay, that is up to like customer specification, like client specification, but we don't usually suggest that. The bedroom should be kept separate. Like, I mean, maybe like if the client demands that, that is okay, but usually we don't do that. And there should be window here for the bedroom. Then kitchen here, you should give a window, not a ventilation. So the window should be sufficient enough so that there should be proper ventilation going through the kitchen. Then this bathroom and this lavatory, you can keep it like something like attached bedroom concept. So maybe it can be brought here, this region. But anyway, this requires some modification here. Yeah.
And sir, once I have doubt. Sir, you said in kitchen, can I keep only one window? I should keep only one window, not two windows.
Why? Like there should be sufficient ventilation, no? Because if you are using a gas stove and all, like there is a high chance of smoke formation. So you should go out. And there should be sufficient sunlight coming inside.
So I should keep that two windows on that
It's
two
better
directions.
it's better to keep two windows.
Yes, sir.
And regarding the dimensioning part, for example, like this region, you don't need to give like this 1.1. So 1.1, you mean to say from here to here, right? Then one, you can just give a single dimension, like from here. Okay. Say what is the total length? You don't need to provide the dimension of windows explicitly here because already you are giving what is the dimension of W1 here. So people can calculate what is the remaining work here. So that's why I got a confusion. I said like you already mentioned bedroom length is of 6.55, but I can see the 5.2. So that this length also should be included to this dimension and up to this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the scale you have mentioned, the plinth, okay, 8.2 times 10.4, okay. So you have to mention your name, scale, everything here. All dimensions are in meter, okay. Okay, and another thing is when you are showing your when you are specifying a door, just show how the door is going to be opened. For example, like here, we can say the door will be opened like this. So you can just give a hand-drawn figure, like this should be two vertical lines, I mean one vertical and one horizontal line, and say that you are opening the door like this. So here there is a door here, then you should just give a marking.
Yes, sir. Means when door will open, the area at the ground, which side it will cover.
Like the door will be open like this, in this direction. So just show that semicircle arc, I mean not semicircle, the quarter circle, that's enough. You don't need to put the arrow, just give the symbol, like this one. Okay, so, and what about the sunshade?
Sir, I thought I am keeping the roof projection will be there. So I will. So I thought I should not put extra that window set.
No, maybe it would be good if you can provide a shade, sunshade here, because already you are having windows here, so you can just give a sunshade. Maybe not the entire length, maybe something like some portion, like wherever the windows are coming.
And sir, I was saying if I have the roof projection, then it should be compulsory that I have to put that sunset.
No, if you are having roof projection, then you can show in a dotted line, no, the roof projection here.
And sir, I was want to say one thing, that I am cutting that projection from that vertical, from one line sir, it's a plain section. So sir, if I will cut, then the roof projection will come if I see it from the top. My doubt is.
Oh, you are saying like you are providing, you are cutting at the window sill level, right? And then you are asking whether that projection will be coming. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So that's why we are giving a dotted line. So you can show it there.
Sir, if I am cutting at the window level and I am removing the upper part, and then after I am seeing from the top, then sir, that roof projection is not there now. If there is plinth beam, that projection will come. That projection will exist still, because it is still at the down, at the base level.
So no. So for that purpose, that's why we are using dotted line instead of solid line. We are just giving dotted line. So
Okay,
that is done to ensure the clarity. Like if you are like if a client is giving you like, or if a what architect is giving you a drawing, then you should know that whether the sunshade is provided or not. So the dotted line means that something is there, but it is not actually on that position.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we will move to the next drawing. So whose drawing is this?
Yes, sir. This is mine.
What is your name?
Sir, roll number 105, sit down.
Again, okay. So write your name on the right bottom corner.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is your main door. So that is 1 meter by 4 meter. Okay, first of all, the hatching is not there. Okay. So you should think about doing the hatching part. What is the total plinth area coming?
Sir, plinth area is 72.
Okay, so what is the point of giving a main door here? Why not the main door in the central part?
Four, sir. I think it would look nice.
Pardon?
Sir, I thought it would be look nice if the door is in the corner, and if we put space here, we can place our plants here.
Okay, fine. That's not issue. Then provide one more window. Yes.
I provide some 2 windows on that wall. And this.
That's fine. Like, see, if you are providing windows in the diagonal direction, then the flow of air can happen there. So that will permit the flow of air.
Okay.
So that's the one reason. And then so what is the concept of this kitchen? Kitchen and dining both are coming in the same. Okay, that is not the problem. It's look like a open kitchen, like the that's a new trend which is happening now. I mean, have you designed with that concept or?
Yes, sir, with the open, no door.
Okay, then I suggest like you can give a small partition here. So this is not a full level partition wall, just to half levels, and you can keep 2 seats here. So, and this is your dining table. But I don't know whether there will be enough spacing. But anyway, this is fine.
So what is the dimension here? Not dimension, scaling. 1:50.
And bathroom ventilation.
This is wrong. I think 3 and 4.5. It looks like that. It's more than 4. It's,
3, not 3 in.
yeah, it's 3. I can understand. This is 4.5. This is very lengthy. Yeah. See the scaling. This is nearly double of that. Can you understand? You are telling this is 3 into 4.5. The dimension is incorrect. While seeing only, we can figure out this. It's nearly double. You see this line, this line. Who drawn this?
Sir, roll number 165.
You see here, your dimensioning is wrong only. You are telling this is 3, this is 4.5. I think it is nearly 6 meter.
So have you taken scaling correctly?
How you are taking scaling? I am not understanding actually. What you are doing, you are fitting it.
So multiplying with 2.
2 means this is not right actually. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong only. 2 into 2.5. What is this?
Bathroom.
Circulation need to improve. Here this is what is this 3.5 and 4 meter.
Main door dimension given, right? 0.23. Okay.
One thing I want to say here. What is this actually? Siddhartha. Siddhartha is here.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Huh?
Bedroom, sir.
It is 3 into 4. Okay. This is you are telling 3 into 4.5. But it looks bigger. Very much bigger actually.
Siddharth, have you taken proper scaling here or just simply drawing?
Sir, I guess I have done some mistakes while scaling.
No scaling here. While you see, I already told you one thing. Whatever you are drawing, actually, while seeing only we can identify whether there is scaling or not. Actually, the next time onwards, it's not for Siddharth. Everybody, most of the people did the same. Simply hand drawing. You are thinking that we can't find out. By seeing only we can't find easily whether you are following anything. It's a free hand drawing only, free drawing, we will say like that, free drawing actually, without any proper dimension, without any proper scaling. This is how you can figure out then. How you can figure out? How you can figure out the things, that's very important. Then one more thing, that window position here, this is wrong. Suppose you can fix it to window, no problem, but issue is properly you have to arrange the window like this actually, with the giving some space. I hope you understand.
Okay, sir.
Then one more thing I want to say, while you draw that position of door, you need to show like this, in which way door is opening. Okay, suppose here this way door is opening, you have to show like this. So like that you have to show where the door is there, in which way it is opening, in that way you need to show this way. Okay, the door opening here also, the door opening, it come like this. Okay, this is the door opening, that also you need to show this way. Then in main door, what is this here? What is this in main door? What is this?
Sir, this is a column. I forget to
Oh,
darken.
no, how it's possible? It's not possible, yeah. Here, in this is your veranda. Where is your entrance? This is your entrance. Huh? Where is the entrance? I am not understanding the entrance. When the entrance is there, you need to provide some steps actually. Because in plan, you can see the steps actually. I hope you understand. The steps you need to provide, then ventilation, okay, then okay, sunshade, okay, sunshade, I don't know the what dimensions you have taken, that is another thing. What about the kitchen? It's an open kitchen. Kitchen dimensions, I don't know what you mean it. Because here, for what is the purpose of this space actually? What is the purpose of? Then one question I am simple. One question I will ask you. Where is the dining area? Can you show your dining area here?
So he means dining area.
Oh, here. Okay, fine. Then what is the utility? What is the space here?
That it be acting as a corridor.
You see, one thing I want to say, this is residential building. Corridor where you need actually. In commercial buildings or office buildings or institutional buildings, we need corridors. In your home, we never do these kind of things actually. Because it's not a public utility area. This is your private area now. Why you need that kind of open spaces simply? You can provide veranda. Open veranda, it's okay. That's fine. But utility spaces, it's not good actually. Otherwise, you can make it like a hall, you can make it bigger otherwise. If you need much utility area, you can make that way. Because if you are providing here, what is the use actually? Utility area most probably for the public space and everything. Public space, normally the gatherings, meetings, everything will happen in hall actually. Okay, the drawing room we will say. So there you can make something like that. Then why you are providing here? What is the utility? No, that is telling grouping, skillful arrangement actually. Skillful arrangement, you just, again I want to inform you, you please go through some drawings. Okay, some residential drawings available, you just to go through, then only you will get an idea how people are drawing. There are so many building plans are available. When you search in Google also, you will get thousands of drawings actually. You can see here, there are thousands of drawings, how their arrangement, everything is showing clearly.
You can go through some of these and you will get a basic idea how they are arranging everything, each room, about the privacy, arrangement of toilets, everything.
So building planning principles, how people are they are following that, you can understand through these figures actually. These drawings will help you a lot actually. The thing is that I already told you, the basic things we already discussed, but how you can arrange the things, everything your idea only. Suppose if I am a customer, you are an engineer, if I need some these kind of specifications, you need to figure out. That time your idea should be work out actually. So that's why we are telling all the things. So please understand those things actually. Okay, please correct all those things. Okay. This is who is this? There is no.
I think he has mentioned name.
Name is there. No, name means inside figure. It's not. No name.
I just cut that.
Okay.
Yeah. So whose drawing is this?
No, roll number 4.
Roll number 32. Divyanshu Rana. Are you here? Why you guys are not here attending the class?
What is name?
Divyanshu Rana.
Divyanshu is there. Roll number 32.
Maybe we can analyze this.
So here, you people say your comments first. What you understand, we should know, no?
Hari Govind, are you here?
You just comment.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So just analyze this drawing.
So 3 drawings we discussed. I hope you understand something. Because these all common mistakes, we are not pointing out any persons. We are not pointing out anybody. It's a common mistakes because we can't show 100 your purpose here. It's not possible.
Yeah, so don't take it personal.
Don't take it as personal. It's a common mistake. 90% of students done the same mistake. That's why we are figuring out everything. So you just tell me. Where is he?
Hari, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look into and you just take time, no problem.
So others can also think about it.
The living room area is very much greater than the bedroom area and the kitchen area.
First,
So there is lots of
Vignesh had pointed out that no dimension mentioned.
yes.
Okay.
What?
Here is
lots
not
of free
mentioned.
spaces there.
Otherwise, you can comment box also. You can use anybody has some net issues. You can use the comment box also. No problem.
So lots of free spaces also there.
Yeah, open
Yeah.
space, free space is there. That is okay. That these mistakes already we discussed. That's why we are pointing out all common mistakes there. Then next step.
So all the markings are wrong.
Yeah, markings are wrong. Then
That, sir, washroom and kitchen should
Not
be
even straight.
position.
what?
Sir, bathroom and kitchen should be placed in the east direction so that sun rays should reach that room.
Okay. Then
Sir, bedroom 2's door should be to the right to minimize horizontal circulation.
okay. Okay. Anything else? Only this much
Kitchen
problem.
is a lot bigger than bedrooms combined.
Kitchen is
A lot bigger than the both of the bedrooms combined.
actually there is one contradiction will come actually. Because in actually I have seen actually kitchen utility people prefer in different ways actually, because some of the people they need a kitchen in large size. I have observed actually, especially in northern side I observed their kitchen size is very less actually. Kitchen is very small. But if you look into the southern part actually, you can see the kitchen is very big. Because
The guy who made this is North Indian.
yeah, I'm not telling that way, but I have seen that kind of things actually, because some people utility may be different actually, because you can say the justification that way. But anyway, I'm not the major mistake I am telling is where is the dimension? I can understand the dimension. That is the first thing. And second thing is that which direction? Which direction? That is another thing. How you can judge kitchen is south side or west side or east side with the proper dimension only. When you draw anything without dimensioning, we can't judge anything. That's a very big problem. You can see here.
And the empty space here, this region.
Oh yeah, what is that? I don't know.
What can, like, it will become wasted, that region. Hatching is another issue.
The window size to floor area is small.
Yeah, that also there.
And this one looks small and this one is big. And if you say notation.
Then one more thing you can see here, wall dimensions. Here wall thickness, I don't know. This is thickness. Okay, he is telling what is the wall thickness. I don't know. It's not mentioned. But bathroom walls are smaller than bathroom walls. You can make it smaller also. But if you are making smaller or 20 centimeter wall thickness, you need to mention actually. It is he mentioned or not?
No, has not mentioned.
If it is common wall means you can see this both wall thickness is different. You can see it here. This thickness is different. This thickness is different. I don't know why it is happening. So, dimensioning very important. That you please take care of. I'm repeating again and again. WC bath, kitchen, then circulation. If you am thinking about circulation also, veranda okay, living room okay, bedroom 2 bedroom like this.
Actually, without dimensioning, we cannot say anything. Like we cannot make any proper comment on this plan.
Then one thing I will say, it's a suggestions only. People have different ideas there. Normally, in a house you can see normally 2 bedrooms adjacent to like this. Normally we will never prefer actually. As concern of privacy things, all the things actually. So that orientation you can change actually because it depends actually. Some customers actually they can make that for example living area both sides like that way they can do some distance actually. That is not a mistake, it is called the convenience or privacy. If you are looking into the privacy thing, all the things you can do some thing in this case actually. Normally in the houses actually the adjacent rooms are there, that there are so many plants like that, but most preferably this if you are looking into the privacy aspects, we not prefer this kind of things. Okay. So these are the things actually. Then living room size, I don't know. I think it's this much living room. I don't know why. What is the use of this? I don't know. Okay. This is who is there?
Number 64.
64. Who is 64? Who is 64? Who is 64? $64 is there or not? Here, what anyway, you can see here the kitchen dimensions, length breadth ratio you need to take care. Please comment, please comment. Anybody can comment box. No living room. Only no living room. Any other comments you say? Yeah, veranda. That is a big question mark actually.
I think he might have mistakenly said it could be the living room.
Yeah, it may be living room. I don't know.
Window in kitchen.
Here, as I said, the door opening should be, you have to mention like this, okay? Then kitchen size actually. One thing I want to mention here, kitchen actually it's a movable area. It's a working space actually. That's why for convenience, kitchen you please refer kitchen or the dimension should be in a, what to say, the square dimensions are more preferable in kitchen. Because if you go like this, it's very difficult actually. How you work the utility space, it's very difficult to move around and like this. It's very inconvenient actually. So any working space you are there, you make it in square shape, 3 by 3 or 3.5 like 3.5. Otherwise you can make 3 into 3.5. This way you need to arrange it. Don't make large variations like a rectangular form. You don't make any room. Even bedroom also don't make that way. Don't make in a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape is very inconvenient actually. So that thing you need to take care of. A bedroom, okay, it is 4 into, it's fine, no problem. But okay, this okay, fine. But in kitchen, actually, this kind of dimensioning is very uncomfortable. This kind of triangular form is very uncomfortable.
And what about the D3 here? This dimension, and D2 is only like 0.8 by 0.2, 0.8 by 2, and D3, although it is less than D2, but here the dimension is too much. So this is wrong. So maybe this should come like this, and then hatching. Bathroom and water closet are next to main entrance. Okay, yeah, that's the main issue. So if it is not veranda, if it is a mistake, then it could be the living room. So in the living room itself, this bathroom, everything is coming there. So that affects the privacy. Anything else?
Then common mistakes, we don't want to repeat the common mistake. You can see that hatching problem I already discussed. Then the dimensioning I told. Then the scaling also. Scaling is not proper. I don't know. Scaling I can't judge in proper way. Then direction, north, whether it is that is not clearly, it's not there. So these all things you need to take care of actually. Okay. These all things you need to take care of. Then these 2 bedrooms adjacent. Actually, that is not a skillful arrangement. The plan is okay, but you see, when an architect or engineer draws, they need some engineering thing actually. Something it's what to say. Anybody can draw plan, but as an engineer side, if you draw means it should be special. It should be specific actually. So the detailing should be more focused. So that you please take care of the things. Okay. Is it visible or not?
This one.
Yeah, yeah.
Roll number 121.
121 there. 121, I don't know how he drawn this.
Varaprasad Reddy.
Varaprasad Reddy, you just come out first. Varaprasad Reddy is there. Varaprasad Reddy?
Varaprasad.
Is he absent or not? I don't know. It's a freehand sketch only. By seeing only I can say. It's a absolutely 100% freehand sketch. I don't know. The wall thickness, I don't know what we drawn. Here one wall thickness. Here I don't know what is wall thickness. Here I don't know. Somewhere it is hatching, somewhere no hatching. Where is Varaprasad? Is it here? Then one big mistake, this is you need to know. we never put this kind of attached bathroom. Don't put your attached bathroom this way. You see, your room is there, inside the room, don't put attached bathroom like this. This is wrong conception. I hope you understand. This is not the right way to putting your attached bathroom like this. Whatever the things actually, suppose your room is like this, your attached bathroom come like this. Not to come inside. This is not the right way. This is very inconvenient actually.
So you cannot use the bedroom properly. That's the main issue there.
Okay. So this is a wrong concept. I think this is also a common mistake. Some people did, not everybody, some people did. So please understand this. Master bedroom, common toilet, okay, fine. Living bedroom, kitchen. Here also the yeah, tell me.
If you want to place bathroom inside a bedroom, how can we place it?
So you can make the like this. So you can just remove it, and the bathroom will be now outside. Like that, you can make the adjustment. That is one way.
Otherwise, you can do one thing. You remove this, then you can use this as attached bathroom. Oh, sorry. Then you can common bathroom. You need to do some other provisions actually. I hope you understand. This bathroom you can make it an attached bathroom here. Normally in houses we never prefer only one attached bathroom. Not for every bedroom we never prefer attached bathroom. Then nowadays in houses the common bathroom concept is not very less, I think. Common bathroom concept is very less, but maybe there.
Yeah, usually like if you are suppose if you are having 3 bedrooms, then maybe like there will be 2 bedrooms with attached bathroom and there will be 1 bathroom common that can be accessed by the guests also.
So that's why you can arrange that way actually. Okay, so this way you have to arrange, don't put like this, this is wrong way. And one more thing that I'm telling, that way you have to arrange that grouping you have to do properly. If you do proper grouping, you can arrange everything. Then some people what they do is, okay, this is your room, they will do like this. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. You can see your line sketch should be most probably it is in this way actually. Your line sketch not like this. This is not the way. Your plan not be like this. Okay, that is also the proper utility, because from this plan only you can understand you haven't utilized the plan properly. That is the meaning of this kind of planning actually. Your plan, if you are using inside that rectangular or squares line sketch, you have to include everything properly. Otherwise, it's not useful. That is the term we are knowing circulation. Circulation we explained very clearly. Circulation means skillful arrangement of rooms in such a way that it satisfies that aspect, prospect, privacy, orientation, etc. all. Elegance also. Not elegance, except elegance. Please follow this. The only thing, the suggestion is, please go through some drawings. Look into some drawings there, you just, then only you understand how the people are, you look into drawings, then only you will get an idea. Otherwise, the common mistakes will repeat.
And you should get a feeling like when you are looking into the drawing, you just don't simply look. Feel like you are there inside. You start from the main door. You are walking through the main door, and you are entering to the living room. And then you just think that you are inside, and then virtually feel it. And you just move when you are moving to the bedroom. How you are opening the door, which direction, in which way you are opening the door, and when you are moving to the kitchen, whether there is a proper ventilation or not. Just have a proper feeling. Like just think about it. If you are in the actual site. And here again, this region, that's more like what is this region used for? It will be like again open, then there is no windows in the bedroom, proper windows. There should be one more window. I mean, these are the small mistakes. Okay, so
Sir,
yeah.
You said we should not give bathroom which will directly open to the living room or the guest room.
Yeah, yes, that affects the
Common
privacy.
bath- Okay, so if in this map it is given to a side, so we give like that? Yes.
No, I didn't get you once again.
In this map, he's given it into a side that common bathroom
Eh,
as it is shown.
Yeah, so in this map there is not that much issue because you will be arranging the sofas like here.
Okay.
So most of the people will be sitting in this space, and this bathroom is little far away.
No, that is okay. That common bathroom concept is okay. The inside bathroom is the only problem.
And maybe
Okay,
he can adjust fix a small wash basin here, and maybe if there is a dining room, then this from this wash basin can be used for washing your hands. So that, yeah. And when you fix bathroom, there is another concept like try to arrange the bathrooms in the same line, not like on the same adjacent. Because the advantage is if you want to create a septic tank, then you can minimize the cost. So, I mean, that is one way, but that depends upon the site conditions and all. But when you are planning, you should think that you try to put, suppose there are 2 bedrooms and there are attached bathrooms, then keep it on same location. Like, for example, like this is your plot.
Hello.
And this is your 1 bedroom, and this is another. So let it be like this. So there is a one door here, there is another door here. So this is your bedroom. This is bedroom 1, this is bedroom 2. So the advantage, so this is your bathroom, okay. So this is bath 1, this is bath 2. So the advantage you are getting here is, you suppose if you want to have a septic tank or something which will be outside your building, you need to construct only one. So that will reduce the plumbing cost, everything. You should not never have the bathroom something like this in diagonal directions. But if you are having 3 bedrooms or more than 3 bedrooms, then maybe you may need to have at least 2 septic tanks. But this is one suggestion which I am giving. Okay, so yeah, we suggest you to go through some of the drawings. There are plenty of drawings
So
available in the net.
can you also
Pardon?
show how to place a attached bathroom here inside?
I can show the directly from net.
What they are asking?
Attached bathroom. Some example for attached bathroom. Okay, it's coming very slow. Yeah, see here. So here they are giving the toilet in the same direction. So this is one example like that. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's work I am just uploading in the chat box now, exercise 4. So go through it. Anish sir will give you the details. I need to attend a meeting right now. Anish sir will join just now. Just wait for 5 minutes. So I have shared the question here in the chat box. So I'm leaving now. Wait for the Anish sir. You can take a 10 minutes break. Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can we include any extra dose if necessary, sir?
Extra dose, what type of extra dose you need?
Sir, like in the plan, there is no door connectivity between living room and the other side, the dining room and.
That you can make. That you can make.
Okay, sir. Sir, and parapet wall means where should we draw it, sir? There's no veranda also.
You see parapet, where you can see parapet, must you say?
Sir, it will be there in veranda or in the terrace.
Terrace.
Terrace only. So terrace, it is not possible to see here. Terrace only, okay. 1 second. So parapet you have to make it. It's a terrace. Over the terrace you need to take actually. It's like a handrail, not handrail. It's just for support system. Okay. So one more thing, you just have to assume the data. Whatever you need, assume it suitably. Okay. Then one more thing, I want to specify this. Your drawing sheet out of 10 marks. We will marking system is there for your scaling mark is there, for your dimension mark is there, neatness of drawing mark is there, your circulation mark is there, then aspect prospect, all building planning principle that mark is there. So mark for all this actually. So when you draw and submit to you, please take care of all those things actually. So when you draw the things, you should incorporate all the things. Don't simply waste your mark. You just incorporate building planning principles, proper dimensions, neatness of the drawing, then that scaling and etc. Okay, so all the things you need to do accordingly. What about veranda? You see, in that line sketch there is no veranda. Then why you think about that? We leave that. Veranda, you leave that. There is no need of stairs. Is not given in stairs. There is no stair. You leave that also. You can do some extra fittings. That's all. There is no need of whatever the things there. You can just make it properly. Stair is not there. You don't worry about stair and everything. Okay. Any doubt? any doubts? Anybody have anything to ask? Clarification? Anything?
Sir, why there is no ventilator in kitchen, sir?
Provide. That is your. That you can add. The small things you can add. You have to add that.
Sir, what is the difference between bathroom, lavatory, and water closet, sir?
That is synonymous only. Water closet means they are specifying that you see in normally in some bathroom means it's only for bathing purpose. Toilet is not there. WC mainly for toilet actually. Toilet they are meaning actually. So in some cases both combined actually. Bathroom plus WC actually. In most of the cases it is like that. Nowadays there is no separate bathroom, separate toilet, not like that. It is combined only. So that is the meaning. Lavatory means combination of both. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. Nothing else.
Okay, sir.
Sir, just a doubt. When we develop line diagram into a sectional plan, we draw walls, inner walls and all. When we draw, the size of the rooms and all will be less. No, it will become less. No, sir. So when we are mentioning the dimensions, we have to.
You see, yeah, that I will explain. You see here, the dimension is 3 into 2.3 meter. That is your inner dimension only. That's your inner dimension.
Yes, sir. So I have to draw walls in such a way that inside area will be 3 into.
Yeah, yes.
But then that will change the total length of the building, no, sir.
Yeah,
and
that
total.
accordingly you have to dimension actually. Accordingly you have to dimension actually. That's all.
Okay.
So I think we have seen more than 5 or 7 your drawings. We mentioned all the mistakes. So this is, I want to inform everybody again and again, don't repeat the mistakes. Don't repeat the mistakes. So you go through some drawings, architectural drawings available, you will get an idea. Then aspect, prospect, direction, scaling, dimensions and circulation should be very much proper. So please take care all the things actually. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when we are projecting the section and the elevation, do we need to put the section in the right of the elevation or the plan?
No, why we are providing that way? It is more convenient actually. Because you see, you imagine that if your plan is coming here at the bottom side, suppose if a section is coming in the right side actually, what is happening? It is easy to project. By projecting your plan and section, you can easily draw that elevation. For the comfortness only, we are telling to do that way. Okay. For the comfort only, we are telling that way. Because drawing of elevation it would be very easy if you are projecting both plan and section. Imagine that you are projecting plan like this, section like this, you will get the elevation. Because in drawing sheet it would be very easy. In your drawing book, I don't know. If your drawing book is very small, it's very difficult. You have to reduce the scale. Accordingly, you have to change the scale and you have to do all the things. So please look into that, okay? What?
Can you use to why?
Not hearing. You can type. You can type. It's not audible. You can type whatever you need. Scale is depending on your size of your drawing sheet. Scale I can't say. I don't know what is you are using your drawing sheet, what is your size of the book, I don't know. Accordingly you can choose. How I can say? How I can say? That is your, you just look into your drawing sheet size and your actual plan size. Accordingly you can decide your scale. Whether it is 100, 170, that is your wish only, but it should be, what to say, easy to convey things. Easy to convey, that is the only thing need to care. Anybody, any other? So next time don't come up with mistakes. That's why I'm repeating again and again. Don't come up with mistakes next time.
Sir, can you please share the PPT? What we have taught?
PPT I will share here, I will share. Okay. That I will share in MS Teams only, I will share. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, deadline for submission. This
Deadline, it's 1 week enough. How long you need? 1 week enough?
We have 2 CT.
You?
Sir, we have
couple of
2 CT
CTs.
and assignment also.
Okay, but then which date you are convening, you say? March 10 enough? March 10?
Sir, after March.
After March, not post. After March, they are telling.
That is 1 month from here, man.
Huh? Tell me, not hearing.
15.
15, okay. 15 means 2 weeks going ahead.
So you will be getting exercises every week.
Next week also you will get, no sir.
Yeah. That means your workload will increase. If your delay means you only suffer at the last
It will
moment.
just become cumulative. So we suggest like every week you submit one.
Okay, anyway, after CT they can submit, I think. After CT you can submit, okay?
When is the CT?
When your CT will finish?
So 10th. A section as like, as of now 10th.
10th. 15th March, okay, 15th March, okay, we can submit. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, others, but here I don't know how I can't. I think you open, I don't know why. I don't know why I couldn't. We can wind up this session then, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay. Can you share PPT or PPT share?
Thank you, sir.